Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to save passwords in Mozilla Firefox browser. Now for us to get this done, let's head over here to the top and we're going to go ahead and open the settings. Now we're going to go ahead and just type here password, and you should be able to see here this one, the second, it says save passwords. Now go ahead and click that. Now, if there aren't here yet, you can go ahead and click this plus sign here, and you can go ahead and simply add a website. So for example, I'm just going to head over and type there facebook.com. The HTTPS is just automatically going to be added, and then I can go ahead and just type here. This is not the password. I'm just trying to type it here for the sake of example. I'm going to go ahead and click the save. Now, whenever you head over to Facebook, that should be detected. So as you can see, you have the admin here and you have the password that you have just added. And that, everybody, is how you are going to save passwords in Mozilla Firefox browser.